During hearing of a suo motu PIL related with Sonsodo legacy waste, the High Court has slammed the contractor company for failing to process the legacy waste as per schedule. The High Court has observed that the legacy waste are like health bomb. The High Court has also asked the Assistant Solicitor General to inform that in which condition the civil authorities can seek help of military for clearing this legacy waste. The High Court has observed that the time has come to think about seeking the military help because the civil authorities like MMC and Goa Solid Waste Management Corporation and the contractor company have failed to clear the waste as per schedule. Directing the contractor company to clear and process all the legacy waste by end of February next year, the High Court has directed them to file a status report by end of this year. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.